Exactly 1 week after the terror attacks in Christchurch, New Zealand, a picture of a tall man standing outside a mosque in Shadow, East London, went viral. I met up with Mark Griffiths and asked him why he did it. Mark, it's great to see you outside Darul Mosque again. You were here last week, right?
I was here last week, yes.
And remind us, what were you doing here?
I was standing here with a placard that said, "I will watch while you pray" during Friday prayers last week.
What a beautiful gesture. It wasn't too difficult for you to do that, was it?
Not at all. It only took an hour and a half of my time. It wasn't a problem.
And you did that because of what happened the week before in New Zealand, right?
It was in response to what happened in New Zealand, but also I felt that the first Friday prayers after what happened in New Zealand were probably going to be a difficult time for the Muslim neighbours here, and I wanted to support them as best I could.
What has the response been around online or around here in the community?
The response has been absolutely incredible. Online I've seen over 7,500 likes, over 300 comments, but I've had strangers in the street shake my hand and say thank you very much. When people were coming out of the mosque on Friday, hundreds of people shook my hand and wanted to take my picture.
And I hear that you work quite closely in the area.
Just down the road.
Great, okay. I think we're going to go and pay that place a visit.
Sounds good to me.
So Mark, you brought me to a familiar grand old place.
St George in the East.
Okay, you have to show me about.
Come on then, let's have a look.
You were outside the mosque last week.
Yes.
As a special act of kindness, but you're actually based here.
I'm based here at St George's. I'm the Director of Operations here, and basically I do all the admin work that the priests don't have the time to do because they're caring for the community.
So you give the priests a break, basically?
In some things, yes.
Excellent. So you're quite busy in the office here?
Absolutely.
Then? Great. And you took your lunch break out to go outside the mosque last week then?
Actually, I had a little bit of time off, so I had most of the day off on Friday, so I was able to spend the time doing that.
A lot of people wanted to treat you to a biryani, so I think we're going to have to go there now, Mark.
Thank you very much. That would be very nice.
Lovely. Mark may not be able to stand outside the mosque every Friday, but his community in East London are very grateful for his act of solidarity, and they look forward in building more bridges with Mark in the future.